The Boikos are a Rusyn ethnic group that live along the northern side of the Carpathians in modern western Ukraine and southeastern Poland. With the majority of the population just above subcarpathian Rus, they are closely connected culturally and linguistically to many of its northernmost villages. The name Boiko first was a pejorative name assigned to them by other Rusyn groups. A common phrase in the old times was pieczeni boyko, or baked boyko, essentially a phrase used to describe a dumb peasant. In contrast to this term of mockery, traditionally Boikos would actually call themselves verchowincy, or Highlanders. The origin of Boiko is not precisely known, but many common theories state it derives from the use of the word boy. In reality, the association of Boikos with the name, or as a sub-ethnic group, is non-existent compared to Lemkos. Nearly nobody has identified themselves as such on recent censuses, and with the deep population of Western Boikowszczyzna in the horrific operation of Akcja Wisła after World War II, the territory itself is even smaller in scope than before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.